one and all. A pleasantful good morning to one and all. Today, one more day, God has blessed us, so we are very perfect. So let's glorify our God, not only for ourselves, for our nation also, with a prayer song, Pray for India.
अपना इंडिया pray for India pray for India pray for India सारी दुनिया से है निराला इंडिया सबकी निगाहों का उजाला इंडिया
इसको लगे ना किसी गैर की नजर
चमके जहां में प्यारा प्यारा इंडिया यारो अपना तो बस एक ही खुदा मिलके रहेंगे हम होंगे ना जुदा बहकाए हमको न कोई शैतान आओ मांगे मिलके खुदा से ये दुआ प्रे फॉर इंडिया अपना इंडिया Pray for India, pray for India. You love India, I love India, we love India. Pray for India, pray for India, pray for India.
गाँव शहर गली गली जाना है प्यार का पैगाम सबको सुनाना है
प्यार कैदियों को है आजाद करता प्यार दुश्मन को भी माफ करता प्रे फॉर इंडिया मेरा इंडिया
You love India, I love India, God loves India too. Come lift your hands and make a prayer and He's gonna answer you.
हमको है इंडिया से मोहब्बत हमको है हम सबको इंडिया से मोहब्बत कामयाब हम होंगे हाँ कामयाब हम होंगे दुआ से दुआ से हम तो यारों हर बाजी जीतेंगे जो तलवारों से जिएंगे तलवारों से मरेंगे मोहब्बत से हम यारों दुश्मन को जीतेंगे Pray for India, pray for India, pray for India. तेरा इंडिया मेरा इंडिया अपना इंडिया You love India, I love India, we love India. Pray for India, pray for India, pray for India. आओ खुदा
Yes, Lord, thank you that we are living into the nation. You have given us such a wonderful nation. We are proud to be Indians. Now, today we are here celebrating a Max Day. So, our ma'am and our Max teachers are here to show you all the magical tricks of mathematics.
Good morning to
Now,
respected
Bharati
Madam
teacher
Founder
is giving the speech.
Good morning to respected Madam Founder Sir, teachers, my dear parents and students. First of all, happy Mathematics Day. Today I am sharing a few words about maths. The word mathematics is derived from Greek word mathema, which means knowledge, study, and learning, which includes the study of such topics as quantity, that is number theory, structure, that is algebra, space, geometry, and chains, mathematical analysis. Mathematics is developed from counting, calculation, measurement, and the systematic study of the shapes and motions of physical objects. Mathematics is the cradle of all creations, without which the world cannot move an inch. Be it a cook or a farmer or a carpenter, etc., everyone needs mathematics in their day to day life. Even though insects also use mathematics in their everyday life existence. Some students dislike maths because they think it's dull. They don't get excited about numbers and formulas the way they get excited about history, science, languages, or other subjects that are easier to personally connect to. They see numbers as an abstract and irrelevant figures that are difficult to understand. Anyone can be a mathematician if one is given proper guidance and training in the formative period of one's life. A good curriculum of mathematics helpful in effective teaching and learning of the subject. Lastly, I conclude that understanding and practice is a best key of mathematics. Thank you.
Thank you, Bharati teacher, for motivating and inspiring the students to have a craze on maths. Now here we have Mr. Rajkumar to speak about a few more things about mathematics importance and how he is going to motivate us. Let us see.
Good morning, everyone. So we know on December 22nd, we have Mathematics Day, World's Mathematics Day. So on what behalf we are celebrating Maths Day? So we are celebrating the birthday of a great mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan. He was born in Erode, Tamil Nadu, on December 22nd, 1887. He was considered as one of the most talented mathematicians throughout the world. So he was famous for his Ramanujan constant, Ramanujan number. So he found nearly 3,500 identities and equations. And those equations were discovered again by some other mathematicians. Even those equations was useful for the mathematician to develop mathematics throughout the world. So whatever the early inventions or discoveries he did in mathematics, those was used by present mathematicians. Even they are working present also on those identities and equations. So we are glad to have that mathematician in our country. So I hope everyone will become a mathematician. Everyone we should become Srinivasa Ramanujan. That courage, that talents everyone has. So you have to bring out your talents to become a Srinivasa Ramanujan. So thank you. Once again, happy Mathematics Day to everyone.
Thank you, Rajkumar sir, for motivating them to become like Ramanujan, to solve problems. We have plenty of problems. Each day has its own problem. So here Rajkumar said to motivate, and also he has boosted with you so many. You can try. Here is one today for you, a magic square. I think the small children may like. So usually the Sudoku is there now. Chinese puzzle is there. See now that a Chinese puzzle is like this only. So it is 3 by 3 square, no? 3 by 3. So you have to put in the middle, take any number. Okay. There in the Sudoku you have 15. You need to get the total, the sum may be 15. Now here you try, you don't go for that Chinese this. I am telling you here, any number you try in the center on the top column. So what you have to do? Maybe that is 3. 4 is there now. So you need to go up arrow. Now I am giving you the direction, up arrows. Up arrows. So now, that you show. Up arrow you draw it. If you write 4 number, up arrow you go. There is no number there, no place there. So what you have to do? Take downward and come to the empty box of last box. There you need to write 5. Okay. Again, draw the arrow mark. No. Draw the arrow mark. If you draw the arrow mark, there is no box there. Again, go up. And you can go to the left there, last box. And write 6. And now again, if you want to go up, already there is a number, you cannot go. So you come down directly. You need to write, what is the next number? 7. Write the 7 number. After writing 7 number, there are, again you take the arrow up so that you have empty places, fill that. 8, 9. After writing 9, again you go up. There is empty place, you cannot go. So again come down and fill that gap. 10. There, down. There you have to write 10. Yes. Now again put the arrow up. No box is empty there. So take your left turn and go. See the last corner you have empty. There you need to write 11. And again take the arrow. Nothing is there. Again you bring down, totally down box. There you have to write 12. So that's the end of the square there. If you add every diagonals or every sides, you will get the same number. What is the total, Bharati teacher, there? You add again. Okay. So everywhere if you add, you will get 24, right? So children, you can try this. Now teacher will show you there. There are already written. One more is there. She will show you one more number. She will show you there. Right? Okay. When I come to the class there, every class, I want to spend 5 minutes with you teaching you this square. Here 5 squares we have here with Rajkumar sir. That also has written in the same way, arrow marks. Okay. So I'll show you when you are running in the classes. So that's all from our tricks today. So have a nice day and pleasant, happy mathematics day. So go on, try.
That ends today's assembly, children. Have a great day. Join to your classes. Bye.